Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this soft, warm eye look for every day. You can wear it for work, special occasion, just for any occasion you wanna wear it for. Of course, I know for some jobs you are not allowed to wear makeup, so of course it's not in that case, but this is not too dramatic, but still you have something going on your eyelids. So I will be playing with the Angela Bright Sigma palette, which is such a gorgeous palette. I created 2 other looks with this palette, which I will link down in the description bar. So definitely check it out. So I'm gonna start with this color, which is a super light shade. It's kind of like a light nude. And I'm gonna apply this in the inner corner of the eye. It comes really close to my own natural skin color, so the difference is not gonna be huge, but I try to apply as much as possible to really make this color stand out. Then I went in with this soft peachy color and I'm gonna apply this in the center of the eyelid. My plan was to kind of do like an ombre on the eyelid going from light to dark. So especially if you have darker skin than I have, the first color that I use is gonna show up more on your skin. But after applying this color, I'm gonna go in with that light color again just to make it pop a little bit more. But I just love the softness of all these shades. They're easy to apply, easy to blend out, and I just love the colors that Angela picked for this palette because they're just super pretty. So of course, everything I'm doing at one side, I'm also doing at the other eye. And I personally like to do like something on one eye and then directly do it at the other eye as well. This way I don't forget what I did. Like I know some people would like completely finish one eye and then do the other thing at the other eye as well. But I'm that kind of person, like I will forget what I did. I will forget what brush I used. So I just do everything kind of after each other, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to go in with a darker shade, and this is going to be the third shade that I'm going to apply to create that ombre effect. So we have that super light color in the inner corner, the peachy color in the center of the eyelid, and then I'm going to use this color to create the darkness at the outer part of the eyelid. So first I just applied a little bit, then I switched to a different brush which was a little bit bigger, and I just add more of this color, and I'm just using really tiny circular motions to softly blend it out. Also slightly blending it on top of that peachy color just to make sure that these shades really blend into each other. And I'm just trying to kind of make this circle shape on the crease, no, not the crease, the outer part area. Because I will not go in with eyeliner, I will not go in with like false lashes, so I really wanted to make sure that I had this like this nice round shape in the outer part of my eyelid. If it doesn't really turn out that way, you can always go in with some concealer, which I will do as well, just to kind of fix it up. But I'm just trying to make circular motions. Then I added a little bit more of the color Bear, and then I went in with that same brown color that I just used for the outer part, and using a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush to apply this color above the lash line as well. So this will kind of look like I'm wearing eyeliner, but I'm just using this brown color. And since I used it in the outer part of the eyelid as well, it now really nicely blends into that eyeshadow since it's the same color. So I'm just softly pressing it and then kind of blending it into that brown color. And then I went in with a little bit of concealer and just going around the edges to kind of clean it up. That was what I was talking about earlier. Then I decided to go in with a little bit of the color Champagne Problems, just a very tiny amount, just to add a little bit of sparkle on the eyelids. This color is actually super pigmented. I used it in the previous video that I filmed, but I just wanted a very light amount, just to add a little bit of sparkle. I just felt like something was missing, and this just gives it that extra touch of glam, but in a really subtle way. Then I went in with that same dark brown color again, which I used earlier, and now blending it underneath the lower lash line. Not all the way going to the inner corner, just kind of like stopping halfway to keep most of the darkness at the outer portion of the eyelids and the lower lash line in this case. Then I used this Super Nudes pencil from Charlotte Tilbury for the waterline. I absolutely love this pencil, and using a light pencil in a waterline will just open up your eyes a bit more. It will make it appear a bit bigger. I just really like the freshness that it gives. Then I use that peachy color to blend out the lower lash line even further, just to make everything look more soft. And then it's just all about the finishing touches. You can add more of like a light color for underneath the brow, for in the inner corner. I decided to add just a little bit of the color Bright and just apply it in the inner corner, and then also blend it a bit lower and also a little bit upwards just to brighten it up a little bit. And I love that she called this shade Bright because it just adds a little bit brightness in the area that you apply it. But now it's time to curl the lashes. Like I said earlier, I won't be applying falsies today. I wanted to keep it very soft and easy to recreate, not take too much time. So I hope you guys like it. I use the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit, which is my absolute favorite mascara. I mean, I have a few mascaras that I like, but I always come back to this one. It's just really nice for my personal lashes. So yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Let me know if this is something you would wear personally, and let me know if you want to see more of those soft glam looks without false lashes. Let me know your thoughts, and I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're gone.